Oh, it's got a nice little crack in it. Nice little crack. Something's been leaking. There's water on the floor right there. They said they had the water shut off. We gotta put them back up, Paul. Huh? Before. Huh?
Adjustable ones. Pipe, double pipe. Go in the back door. You get your
The back.
yeah, back door. That's where it's had carpet in it.
Huh?
It's had carpet on top of this.
Did it?
Yeah. Pick up corner of the trim board up. The old trim board up high.
I see some staples.
Yeah, yeah. I ran across the tree. The old trim boards up high.
Nails or screws? Nails.
No.
Popped a hole in the floor?
No. All we do.
That was there?
All we do. One over there. One like that.
Rough.
It's gonna be better.
Oh, it's gonna be nice. We're done with it. Rock and roll, guys. Here we go. Get rid of this vinyl. Once it's all gone, we'll start cutting the floor. Alright, we got that old cheesy cabinet out of here. That's the old cheesy toilet out of here that was broken. Getting the linoleum up. This floor is up and down everywhere. Staples, Paul.
You know what that is, don't you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, from living behind it. Oh yeah. Disgusting. Man, this thing is, it's got staples, Paul.
Yeah.
Hope it's not glued too.
Yeah, it's nailed here. Stapled here.
Ain't that something? Staples everywhere.
Yeah.
If I remember staples being glued underneath. We'll see when we get there.